Hello everybody and welcome back to my still new YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this super simple, easy makeup look. And you don't have to use the same products I do, but these products what I use, I personally recommend for you if you're looking for something new to try. I hope these tips and techniques will be useful. Also, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for me to keep creating this content. If you want to have glowing, natural look in makeup, keep on watching. I start with a True Match foundation by L'Oreal and I'm using a brush by Real Techniques. I like to apply foundation on my hand and from there pick it up with the brush. So I'm spreading the foundation all over my face before the blend. And when I blend, I try not to press too hard. But you always can apply foundation straight on your face or use sponges. It's wherever you are used to. I'm just applying it everywhere and not forgetting about jawline. I pull my hair to the back to get into the hairline, not getting a lot of foundation on my hair. Picking up whatever left on my hand and just applying it everywhere again. Making sure that it's everywhere nice and even. I'm dragging it down my neck so there's no much difference in color. And as you see, I'm not avoiding the eye area. I mean, it's a foundation, why not? Now it's concealer time. I'm using Stay Naked by Urban Decay. I'm applying it everywhere where I want my face to look brighter. I start under my eyes, of course, just like that. And I like to come closer to my temples because when you blend it, it's gonna make your eye a little bit snatched. Middle of the chin, and I just like to brighten the tip of my nose, and whatever left I apply it on my forehead. Do the same thing on the other side of the face. And to make my jawline strong, I just like to apply it right here. A little bit more for forehead and of course your eyebrow bones. Let it sit for a little bit and let's do the contour. It's by Smashbox and I believe it's a foundation. I'm applying it everywhere where I want more depth to my face, so it's gonna be my like under cheekbones, the tip of my nose, a little bit under the bottom lip, of course on the jaw and temples, and a little bit inside of the eye just like that. And don't forget about your forehead. Brush by Real Techniques just to blend all this contour we just created. Cream contour is fun because it helps you to kind of play around with your face shape and make it a little bit the way you like it. At first I try not to press too hard, slightly touching and just blending the dark side of our contour. And when you blend, make sure it does not disappear. Because I mean, what was the point if you would apply it and then you blend it so hard, they just like, you know, like it's like never been there. When you're choosing your cream contour, make sure you get the right undertone. If your skin is lighter like mine, get something with a cool undertone so you'll see a contour with a grayish kind of color. And if you're tanned and darker, something with orange brown will work perfect, so you'll need something warmer. Blend, blend, blend. Because this makeup look is for every day, I'm not doing anything crazy with my contour. So after this 2 minutes of contouring, your actual makeup almost gonna be ready and you might just go like that. Again, pulling my hair back to get the closest I can to my hairline. I would say contouring for everybody is different. Just remember, the light brings out and the dark hides. Now it's time to blend the concealer. I'm using this double brush by Glow Skin Beauty and I like starting with a tapping motion just like that. With this technique you'll still be able to keep your concealer in place and just blend out the edges. The same tapping motions everywhere. And if you cannot get rid of like light line, in that case you should be blending. To soften your contour and make your makeup more natural, you can just go over the lines with a concealer brush. And when you blend the concealer under the eyes, try to go all the way to the temples. That's how your eye is gonna be more looking like a cat eye. To make all the transitions seamless and just to like melt into your skin, I like to use a sponge. This is a velvet sponge by LAKEY Cosmetics. Just make sure you wet it first. And just press it all over your face and you'll see no more lines. Everything is just gonna look nice and finished. And of course natural. And that's how you get the perfect skin and natural contour. For my highlighter, I'm using Pure Cosmetics. It comes with this fan brush. I like to mix the lightest one and the pink together. I start with the highest point of my cheeks, and I'm going to be highlighting all the highest points of my face. So it's going to be brow bone on top of the brow. I go back to the cheek, just like that. Super important cupid bow. Going up to the tip of my nose and nose bridge. Repeat on the other side. I like to go above my eyebrows, just like that, on my forehead. Now I'm using Clinique pressed powder with a big brush from Real Techniques, everywhere where I want my face to look matte. Now taking lighter powder, what brightens my under eye area from Too Faced, and using much smaller brush. Also applying it in the center of my face, chin, on top of my lips, and forehead. With the same contour palette by Too Faced, I'm going to warm up my face by bronzing it. I like mixing cooler and warmer tones and just go on top where was my contour. I start light, and if I see that I need more product, I just keep building it. And I never press my brushes too hard. Repeating all the same things on the other side, and don't forget about your jawline. Pick up more product if you need to. Now use bronzer instead of eyeshadow and just go like that to your temples. Warming up all that hairline like that. That's what we're getting, and also don't forget about the lower lip to make it look fuller. This skin finish product by MAC, I think it's in color Suburb, I'm using as my blush. It looks and feels like a wet highlighter, but if you have lighter skin like I do, you can use it as a blush because it has that pink undertone. I like to smile, that's how I know where I'm going to apply the blush. On the apples of my cheeks. Also, I'm going on top of the parts I bronzed. It's gonna make your skin look kinda softer and more natural. If you have blush with the shimmer, you're just gonna give your skin unbelievable finish. I'm using this eyebrow pencil by L'Oreal. Since it's everyday makeup, we need something fast and simple. I'm brushing them first and just going to fill in the shape I have. I start on the top middle and just concentrate on my brow tail, just like that. This way you'll be able to control the inner part of your eyebrows and they're gonna look softer. Now I'm filling all the bottom part. Just make sure you do not press too hard. And just keep brushing them. Every time you do something, just keep brushing them. I love this pencil because it comes with a little brush. Also on the other side it has the brow gel, and on the other side it has the actual pencil for the eyebrows. And I've had this pencil for like over 6 years. I mean, I still love it. I'm just filling in my shape and keep brushing it to kind of like blend it. And I always choose the pencil with the cooler undertone, because if you blend something warm, you're gonna have like orange eyebrows. That's what we have before the mascara. I'm using Lashful Mascara by LAKEY Cosmetics. So I usually use like one coat, but I like to layer it a lot. I mean, I don't apply one coat everywhere and then just like go back and do the same thing. No, I just work on one eye and then go to the other. I like this product because it does make your eyelashes look longer and fuller. Like, oh my god. Just do the same thing on the other eye and just go to the bottom lashes. I do like to concentrate on the bottom lashes. It makes your eye look bigger, that's for sure. But if you have lash extensions, you can just skip this part. I'm using ColourPop pencil for my lips. First, I just fill them in and start with the shape of lips I have, and then I slightly overline them to make them look fuller. With this pencil, you won't even need to use any matte lipsticks. It does not dry out your lips. I only overline the lips in the center. You can leave it like that or add just any lip gloss. I'm using a lip balm by Glow Skin Beauty and just tapping with my finger like that, just to make them look a little bit juicy, and it's also gonna make them look a little bit bigger. And this is the final product. Glowing, natural, simple and easy. I hope you guys like it and you found something new after today's tutorial. Comment down below and tell me about your everyday makeup routine.